Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change notification sound on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel so bored with your notification sound, don't need to be worried because Poco C71 is providing a lot of notification sound that you can choose as you want. And how to change the notification sound on your phone is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down again and then go to about sound and vibration, and then now you can scroll down and go to default notification sound, and you can choose notification sound that you want easily. Click OK, and so yeah, your notification sound is already changed. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys.